welcome to the Dum Dum channel. I'm Marvin.
And I'm Elvina.
And today I'm going to teach her how to build a PC. So over here, we have the InWin A1 Plus. It's a Mini-ITX case. We have the Gigabyte B350 gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. And we have 480 gigs of Klevv Cras C700 PCIe SSD. And we have 32 gigs of Patriot DDR4 memory. For the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 3600. And for the GPU, today we're going with the Radeon RX 570 4GB. So let's get down to it.
Okay.
So just a bit of background, she hasn't built a PC before. I've built a couple myself, and today I'm going to teach her how to put all the parts together. So for starters, let's put this on the floor first so it's out of the way. So you might be wondering why we're going with a B350 board. I got this from eBay for 129 Australian dollars. It's a bit old, but it has all the features you need. And all the other ITX motherboards from the 450 series were like $240, $250. And the B550 series, none of them are in stock and they're all about $350. So this is the best bang for buck that we could have found. Supposedly it has already been upgraded to the F40 BIOS, so it would work with our 3rd gen CPU. So the first thing we want to do is take this out. I'm going to put this here, and we are going to let Elvina install her CPU. You can unbox this. So it comes with the AMD stock Wraith stealth cooler, which should be fine for our usage. We're not going to overclock it or anything. So here we have the Ryzen 5 3600, you can see.
You need to do this. Say.
So here we have the Ryzen 5 3600. I think it runs at 3.6. Is it 3.6? It runs at 3.6 GHz base clock with a maximum of 4.2 GHz boost. Should be plenty for what she's doing. She mainly uses it for her design work. She does landscape architecture. So what do you use it for?
I use it for using those 3D software like Rhino or like SketchUp, and also like some other like Adobe software. So mainly do like mostly like design software. Yeah.
Okay. So you want to move that out of the way and lift it up.
This one?
Yeah, that long pin. Yeah. Okay, and then you're gonna align this to the socket.
Like this?
Yeah. Lock it down. Okay, so now that we have that done, this is what it looks like on the board. We are going to install the RAM. So you can open this up. So we've gone with 32 gigs because she opens a lot of tabs in Chrome. She opens like, I don't know how many windows at the same time with like more than 10 tabs each. And on her current system, she often has to swap to disk, and it really slows down her applications a lot. So we thought a sweet spot would be 32 gig. This is running at 3000 megahertz CL16 timings, which should be fine for her use. Can always overclock it to 3200 and see if I can tighten up the timings. So what you want to do here is align these to there, and you can lock it in.
Do I need to on it?
No, I don't.
So I just do this.
Yeah, is that the right one? the next one in. So we got this on Amazon for $195, not the cheapest, but okay. Okay, that looks fine now. And if I'm not wrong, to get into that case, we actually have to put the CPU cooler on, but I'm not sure if it will hinder putting in the cables and stuff. So maybe we will open that up to take a look inside first. Yeah. So we've gone with this case because we don't have a lot of space on our desks. We wanted a small build, and this and the Silverstone Sugo was one of the only ones that came in pink. But all around, this was the better choice. It's got a 10-watt wireless Qi charger on the top, so she can charge her iPhone on it. And it's got a 650-watt gold PSU already included. It's a custom form factor, I believe, but you can fit an ATX, a standard ATX power supply in here, but you might need to remove the brackets, like the front bracket. Let's see how this works. Oh, it also comes with two InWin Serious Loop fans. They are ARGB, so you can customize whatever lighting effects you want on them. Usually you want more space if you're working on a PC, but lucky this is quite small and we don't have a lot of space. So I'm gonna need the packet that this thing came with. So InWin has provided a pretty nice plastic pouch. This is the fan controller for addressable RGB. You might not need that. Okay, we've got the screws, the motherboard screws. Just make sure you don't forget your I/O shield. This one goes in the back. Goes in the back here. Make sure that way. So to save paper, InWin has come up with a QR code for our manual.
So this is the QR code.
Okay. It's tricky. It's very tricky.
So after you scan, you see something like this.
Can you help me figure out what these cables at the bottom here are? It's ground key D and 5V plus. Oh, okay, I know already. So I think these are the LED light bar at the bottom. Yeah, can you open that up? So on the back of this board is the PCIe M2 slot. So we're gonna have, can you hold the board? We're gonna have to install the PCIe M2 first, because once you put it into the back, you can't access it. So it's lucky that I realized that just. So we've got 480 gigs of PCIe memory. I'm gonna have to take out that screw. Take out that screw. Yeah. Wrong way.
Whoops.
You can just pass it to me. So we're gonna put it in immediately. You wanna slot this in. Follow the markings.
Wait.
Right here.
Huh?
Slot this in like this. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't have to. Make sure it just goes on. Okay. And then put that screw in.
We need to align it, right? So small.
One hour later. Three hours later. Three days later.
Ouch.
Now we can finally put the GPU in. That took a while. The cable management was pretty hard. Look at this. 1080p gaming, this should be fine. Should work very well. Alright, take those two metal slots out. Okay, now you want to mount this in.
Up to the thing.
Yeah. Where's the bracket? The pink color bracket?
Yeah?
No, GPU bracket inside the pouch.
And the pouch is not working.
Okay, I don't know how to use this.
Yeah.
You'll be blocking the fans. It's like a black washer.
The thing is not with me. What the fuck is washer?
Those kind of circle thing that is put behind one. funny, though. They display that it's put there, but then there's no way to attach it. Look, it's just floating there.
I think instead of the screw going from here, I think the screw is coming from here instead.
That's right. Very smart. Can you flip it so it's facing you?
I hold and then you screw, okay?
One eternity later.
Okay, so this is the finished build. We've tried to manage the cables as best as we can. Can't do much about this, but the rest in here is pretty neat. Still got quite a bit of space here. Maybe you can add in, might even be able to put a 3.5-inch drive if you try hard enough to put it like in this corner here, but that's for another time. So yeah, we're gonna try load Windows in this and put it up on her desk and we'll see how it works.
Okay.
And we'll make a follow-up video for that. Bye!
Bye!
The next day.
So this is the completed build. You can see the 3 wireless charger at the top and the Wi-Fi antenna. We've got it set up with 2 monitors. So the main one, this is a main monitor for work, and this can be like for your Chrome tabs and stuff. This is our custom IKEA monitor stand. It's pretty cheap, and you can always slide the keyboards underneath. Hi,
welcome!
Really loud. Hi, welcome to the Dum Dum channel. Today we're gonna be. No, I need to introduce us.
Elvina!
Hi, welcome to the Dum Dum channel. My name is Marvin and this is
Elvina! Don't hit my face!
Hi, welcome to the Dum Dum channel. I'm Marvin and this is
Elvina.
I haven't finished. Okay, I can say I'm Marvin and then you can say I'm Elvina. Okay, so you want can you do it?
We captured the house!
You got one screw in
Yep.
the CPU pin into the CPU socket here.